Welcome back to FinMatrix Insider. Today, we're cutting through the noise to dive deep into a platform becoming a primary source for forward-looking financial information, Polymarket. Forget scrolling through endless news feeds, sifting through opinion and unreliable sources. Polymarket is evolving beyond simple wagers to transform how we anticipate future events. At its core, Polymarket's power lies in the wisdom of the crowd. It aggregates the collective wisdom of thousands of participants. Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market where users bet on real-world outcomes. You buy and sell yes or no shares, with the price reflecting the market's collective belief. Participants are incentivized to be accurate with their money on the line. This economic motivation creates a real-time, data-driven snapshot of market sentiment. Traditional news is often reactive, reporting on past events. Polymarket is proactive, providing forward-looking insights to anticipate trends before the news cycle catches up. Why is Polymarket becoming the new primary news source? Several compelling reasons are accelerating its adoption. The platform provides near real-time insights based on constant market activity, making its data far faster and more current than traditional media. Polymarket's decentralized nature minimizes biases. The market is driven by economic incentives, not editorial opinions, resulting in higher reliability. It provides more than headlines. It offers quantifiable probabilities. You get a clear, data-driven understanding of the market's expectations, enabling actionable intelligence. Using Polymarket effectively is not just about betting. It's about understanding the underlying market sentiment for strategic investment. You can monitor markets related to emerging technologies to identify early trends, and use it to gauge the market's assessment of risks related to policies or corporate performance. Use Polymarket as an additional data point to refine your investment hypotheses and validate your research. Diversify your information sources for a complete picture. However, it's crucial to approach Polymarket with a critical eye. It is not a foolproof crystal ball, and certain challenges exist. The volume of trading on some markets may be limited, potentially leading to price volatility and skewed predictions, which can affect reliability. Informed participants may influence market prices through information asymmetry. Also, understanding the complexity of niche markets requires substantial research. The benefits of incorporating Polymarket into your research far outweigh the challenges. It is a powerful tool revolutionizing how we anticipate future market events. Polymarket is more than betting. It provides proactive, transparent, and quantifiable probabilities, helping you anticipate market trends for a significant edge. We encourage you to explore Polymarket, do your own research, and start incorporating these predictive insights into your investment strategies. Don't get left behind. The future of financial information is here,